Have you ever tried to use your iPhone, only to find that the touchscreen isn't responding? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, in today's video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes for this issue. So if your iPhone touchscreen isn't working, keep watching to get it up and running again. But sometimes your iPhone screen might become unresponsive or sluggish. It could be because of something as simple as dirt or a software glitch. But don't panic! In most cases, the fix is quick and simple. First things first, clean the screen. Dust, fingerprints, or any other debris can cause your touchscreen to misbehave. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe the screen gently. Make sure there are no smudges blocking your touch from registering. Next, let's try a force restart. This can help if the issue is due to a temporary software glitch. Here's how to do it. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once the iPhone restarts, check if the screen is responding properly. Now, if the problem persists, it could be an issue with your iOS software. Make sure you're using the latest version of iOS. Here's how to check. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap General. 3. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating your iPhone ensures that any bugs that might be affecting your touchscreen are fixed. To prevent this from happening again, make sure to 1. Keep your iPhone screen clean regularly. 2. Avoid using your phone with wet hands, as moisture can affect the touch sensitivity. 3. Always keep your software updated to stay ahead of any potential bugs. If these steps worked for you, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. And let me know in the comments if you've had any other iPhone touchscreen problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and share this video with your friends who might be facing the same issue.